Introduction to Blockchain Programming Languages.
Blockchain technology is reshaping industries from finance to logistics. If you're considering a career in blockchain or Web3, understanding the right programming languages is essential. Different languages serve unique purposes in the blockchain ecosystem, from building smart contracts to developing entire decentralized applications. Let's explore the most valuable programming languages for blockchain development and why they matter.
Solidity, the language of smart contracts.
Solidity is the primary language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum, the world's leading blockchain for decentralized apps. Similar to JavaScript, Solidity enables developers to define the rules and logic that run automated agreements. Mastering Solidity opens doors to developing decentralized finance tools, NFTs, and many other applications on Ethereum-compatible blockchains.
Rust, powering fast and secure blockchains.
Rust is praised for its speed, memory safety, and modern syntax. It is a popular choice for blockchain platforms like Solana and Polkadot. Rust allows developers to build highly efficient smart contracts and entire blockchain infrastructures. Its strong performance and robust security make it vital for those targeting cutting-edge blockchain networks.
Go and C++ building blockchain cores.
Go and K++ are often used for the backend and core layers of blockchain networks. Go powers blockchains like Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum's Geth client, known for simplicity and concurrency. C++ is the foundation of Bitcoin's codebase and is valued for speed and reliability. Knowledge of these languages is crucial for those interested in blockchain architecture and infrastructure.
Python and JavaScript, accessible blockchain development.
Python and JavaScript are popular for their versatility and large ecosystems. Python is used for prototyping, smart contract development, and blockchain analytics. JavaScript enables building decentralized apps and interacting with blockchains via libraries like Web3.js. Both languages provide accessible entry points for developers looking to apply blockchain technology quickly.
Choosing the right language for your blockchain career.
Your choice of programming language depends on your interests and goals. Aspiring smart contract developers often begin with Solidity or Rust. If you're interested in infrastructure or backend, Go and C++ are key. For rapid prototyping and web-based apps, Python and JavaScript are valuable. Learning these languages can open doors to rewarding opportunities in the expanding blockchain space.